right behind me is the entrance to Sun and Fun, and we're going to take you to where all the classrooms are, where they do composite work, sheet metal, engine, electrical, that type of thing. We'll flip around here, and right here is they actually have sunblock at the medical supply place, so definitely need lots of sunblock here. I had to reapply several times yesterday because it is a scorcher. But we're going to walk over to the forums. Kind of show you where that is. Here you can see the electrical workshop just off to your left here, and a little tent. And here's the hands-on workshop area. They're all free. Some of the different topics are avionics, welding, engines, fabric covering.
Here, that's not quite as critical. We want saturation to lead because that gives you the heat. And during flight loads, when it's a little short, it's okay. You want to make sure that you have your fabric at least above the normal past this point. Yes, it would be civil. I mean, these are just practice statements.
Gas welding.
Cutting out what you do introduce more often. Well, okay, that's a good question. Cutting tip doesn't have just one. You have a tip. If you look at it, there's multiple holes there. All of them except that center one is free, just like this.
Regulations, and there's only certain places that they have to have water, collected and because they don't want all that. They want the tool.
Let's see what this class is.
That looks really good.
All right, you're about everybody good?
There's some yellow masking tape on here that won't stick to it, so.
Okay.
A composite airfoil with the foam center, it looks like.
Next step, which is going to be putting on the part.
All right, so now we're going to start rapid fire.
Looks like this was a sheet metal class. Hey, there's a Zenith poster. And looks like some riveting, that type of thing. Must not have a class right now. I'll practice doing some riveting. And this is the fabric. Using wood, making wood ribs. And last is the engine workshop, is where I'm going for a seminar. The Yamaha engine. And we're going to end this right here. This is the forum, hands-on workshop forums area.